Hey folks, welcome to another VR video. Today we're checking out a game that uses just the power of our hands, Hand Physics Lab, which is a very cool game that's available on the Quest platform using hand tracking. It does also work with controllers, in case you were hankering for controllers. So let's see here. The first puzzle is literally just pushing that button. That's not so hard. Now these stars can be used basically as currency to unlock a sandbox level. So the more stars you earn, the more sandbox levels are available. And we'll demonstrate a little bit of those sandbox levels as we get further into the game. So we got 1, 2, and 3. 3 more stars. That's good. That's very good, actually. So this one is tricky because we've got apples, which are virtual objects on a virtual table. And I have some struggles with virtual objects on a virtual table. I'm not all that good at painting within the lines, especially on a virtual table. And let's try blue in the middle. This is one we're not getting enough stars on. I'm 100% sure of that. Let's try the other hand to see if we can get to 100. Thank goodness. That's a 1 star for sure. I am not good with the flat surface. Like, it doesn't... My brain doesn't jive invisible flat surfaces like that. Alright, so 2 stars for that one. It's not 3 stars, but it's better than nothing. The turning buttons went pretty well. Love this domino game. Very cool. So for this one, we have to immerse our hands in a flat bowl. Again, not very good at soaking our hands up in here. Let's see if we can get the red one. Thank goodness. Again, I'm not good with the flat puzzles, so we'll go ahead and finish that. This one's very cool. It's almost like an abacus. Whoops. Yellow is still not in spot. Whoops. Yellow is still not in the spot. I've done better on that one. Let's do it again. There we go. Still only 2 stars, but we'll go ahead and move on from there. This one is super challenging for me. It doesn't need to be, but it is. So you have to pose the skeletal character here inside the target. There he is. Alright, so this one's very challenging for me. Oh, and an Easter egg. So at least here at launch, these Easter eggs exist. So I'm trying to just move this 2-kilogram cube. It's actually kind of hard. Now we've got this green cube stuck under the red cube. There we go. So can we move the 500-gram cube easily? It looks like it's a little bit easier. And then the 50-gram cube just swats into place. That worked, okay. So again, flat. I'm not going to try to get more stars right now. This one, you're supposed to try to align. I just spin. So aligning the orbitals for me ended up just being spinning a bunch. So this one's cool. Almost feels like playing Simon. Sadly, the buttons are not 100% cooperative with me today. I think I need to just answer them with more authority. Alright, so we finished that one. 2 stars is fine. This one is really challenging for me for multiple reasons. Let's see if we get this blue circle to the other side here. There we go. Thankfully, it's not one of those electromagnetic ones. So this one's floppy fingers. So with this one, you can't actually grip them. You have to push them along. Keep in mind your wrist is also sort of tracked here. So it makes it a little bit more challenging. I'm actually going to pull it forward and then push it over. There we go! Yay! And what I like about this experience is also it doesn't make your hands disappear when they come together like some of the other Quest hand-tracked content. It intelligently kind of keeps your hand presence. So you can sort of clap. So for this one, we just had to pull it away from that gravitational field in front of us. Alright, this one's challenging. We've got yellow, yellow, red. Don't want to lose that yellow, so we're going to baby it here a little bit. Get it into the bowl. Again, we've got virtual objects in a virtual shallow bowl. Not the easiest thing on earth to manage. But I love how the game takes the size of the objects, the weight of the objects, the shape of the objects, and really makes it something that immerses you in that type of physical but yet virtual realm. So this one, these cubes are weighted. You have to push them off the ledges. And now these puzzles get a little bit more complicated. So let's see what happens. What? Our wrist gets stuck. That's what happens there. So if we go this way, we can untangle it. Alright. This one is one of those slidey puzzles. And as you can hear, the music has slightly changed as we go. So this one, you just flip the switches. Should be fairly easy, but again, playing on a virtual flat surface, my brain and my hands don't really connect well with that. Have to grab with the magnet there. Yay, magnets. For some reason, the magnet is stuck to my hand. Alright, so this one, we've got another egg. Let's grab that. New egg found. And this is the cube puzzle from earlier, but now with the added gravitational pull. We'll do a couple more puzzles and then we'll exit out to the sandbox mode. So this one, you have to hit all three at once, so you had to use a wrist action there. And this will be our last puzzle. This one is the whole tin can knockover. I did pretty well with that this time. It looks like, though, it wasn't satisfied with my tin can toss until I threw all three balls. Alright. So I lied. I like this puzzle, so we'll do this one. And that's rotating cubes. It says we. Will it continue? This will give you a preview of what the next puzzle is. This one, you have to actually match the correct eggs with the correct color bowl. We're going to exit out, though. We're going to go back to home. We'll go to play, and I'll just show you the sandbox for just a moment. So we've got a board, a paint, build, drawing, and eggs. We'll go to eggs because that's the one we just ended on. And in this one, you're dyeing these eggs. Make this one blue. And then you can put it there for display or drying or what have you. You can make them multiple colors if you want to. Maybe make this one green since we made the other ones different colors. Got a bit of a blue dot on it, so maybe we'll add some more blue to it as we go. Whoops. We added a lot more blue to it in the end. Whoops, we might have broken it. Who knows? Alright, and we'll go back to home here. We'll do one more sandbox here. So we've got drawing. This is doing finger drawing in front of us here. I don't think we use a pen or a pencil. I think it's just, oh, we do actually use a pencil. That's tricky. Yeah, again, I'm not good with the flat surfaces. Let's see if we can sort of make a face. Sort of. I'm not very good at that at all. And the computer is actually really cool, so I'm going to play a couple of quick levels to try to get the computer unlocked. Let's see if we can get some more stars. So this is the frowny face, so we need to make it red. This is the unmuted egg here. And then this is the blue smiley egg. You can do it. Give me... Yeah, there's the 100%. It's only going to give us 1 star. So we'll do a quick race to Break some glass. That's also only given us 1 star. So this one's a little bit tricky. As you can see, we've got switches again. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, and now switch 5. It's a lot of buttons. This one's kind of fun. It's putting a hand in the right pose using your hand. Alright, so hopefully that's enough to unlock the computer. Did we do it? Oh, not yet. Okay, so how many more do we need, I wonder? So we need 60 stars. How many do we have? We have 59. Alright, let's try one more puzzle. Tumbler's an interesting one. Blue, green, red. We just dropped yellow, of course. I really want the egg. And since we only need one more. New egg found. And yellow, this should unlock the computer now because it should give us 1 star. Oh, gave us 2. Awesome. And again, I'll show you a brief preview. This one we need to get a certain score. We got that score, so we got some more stars. Well, 1 more star. Go ahead and hit home. Wonder how you get more stars. I got that very quickly. So let's do this. Let's go to Sandbox. Just want to show you the computer here, and then we'll call it a day. Oculus has been working on Infinite Office. Now we can type away, right? Not the best keyboard on earth. Trying to hit clear. It does not like me. The mouse button does not work for me. But either way, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I will be back with more content soon. Until next time, get out there and enjoy some VR for yourself. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.